Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see, what are we going to do today? We will learn about the shape square. We will also draw a square. So let's begin the class. This is a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Now, let's count the sides first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Now, let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Well done, everyone.
Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides, they're all the same. If you know my name, you're good at this game. What am I? You're a square.
What is the shape of the clock? Yes, square. The shape of the biscuit is? Yes, square. What is the shape of the window? Yes, square. Very good. Now, look at the picture carefully and find the squares. Now, let's see how we can draw a square shape. Start from this point and go down, then stop, go right, and then stop, go up, and stop, then go left and stop. Let's try one more time. Go down and stop, then go right and stop and go up, stop and go left and stop. Great job, everyone. Okay, dear students, now practice making some squares on the green board and show it to your teacher. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Number workbook. You need to paste, trace and color the square on page 23. Sticker of shape square is given at the last page of number workbook. This is your day 3 task. This task should be done in your Smart Number workbook. You need to trace and color the squares on page 24. This is your day 4 task. This task should be done in your notebook. On the first page, you need to draw shape square in the hollow letter as many times as you can with different colors. Don't forget to follow the arrows. And on the second page, you need to draw squares as many times as you can. Best of luck, everyone. Let's see what have we learned today. We have learned about the shape square. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And all the sides are equal. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, everyone.
I can make a square. E-I-E-I-O. I can make a square. E-I-E-I-O. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Say cheese! I can make a square.